Hello friends, welcome back to Work with Technology YouTube channel. In the last video, we discussed about how to execute Python program on VS Code. Now, in this video, we discuss about how to execute Python program on Python IDE. So let's start the video and see how to execute Python program on Python IDE. For executing the Python program on Python IDE, so we need to install Python in our system. So let's go to desktop screen and see how to install Python and how to perform Python programs on Python IDE. This is the official website of Python. So this is the interface. You can see here downloads option, and the download for Windows latest version of Python is 3.11.1. so click on it. Once you click on it, the downloading are start automatically. It takes some time according to your net speed, so just wait. And you can see here it downloads successfully. So open it, install Python 3.11.1. so there are two options, install now and customize installation. So we select, first we check this box, add python.exe to path, then we choose customize installation, and here the optional features. So set as default, click next. This is the advanced option. Select the first checkbox, is known as install Python 3.11 for all users. This is the installation location. Set as default, click on install. Now Python for Windows are starting to installing. It takes some time according to your net speed. You can see here setup was successful. You simply click on close button. Now check Python are successfully installed or not in our system. So open cmd, that's mean command prompt, and type the command python -- version, and it shows the current version of our Python. And you can see here Python 3.11.1. that's mean Python are successfully installed in our system. Now time to execute an actual Python program on IDE. So click on start button, and you can see here recently added. This is second option, IDLE Python 3.11 64-bit. so click on it, and this is the shell window of IDLE, and you can see here file, click on it, and you can able to see new file, click on it, and here we write our Python code. Now this is the Python program we write. Time to save it. So click on file and click on save, where you want to save your Python code. Now time to execute this Python program, and you can see here run option. So click on it and click on run module. Short keys F5, and you can see here this is here output window. So enter your name, press enter, and you can see here output hello Sanket. In this way we also perform the Python programs on Python IDE. So let us stop for today. I hope so this video is helpful for you, so please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.